Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping in. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to insert shapes of clay into a slab that you've already made. Here I have yellow, I have a green, I have translucent. Oh, also, you'll need glitter if you want glitter. I'm going to be doing some glitter with this. I have white just in case I wanted to lighten it up a little bit. I'm not sure if I want to do that or not. I think I kind of like it the way it is. But I grabbed it just in case. Now you want to make your clay where it's warm so you can work with it. You just kind of roll it in your hands till you get it the way you want it. Now what I am going to do is I'm going to flatten this out and then I'm going to add my glitter color to it. Oh, stuck to my... A lot of times I like to use these marker things because I've been having problems with my acrylic rollers. If anybody knows why I'm having this problem, please comment down below. What's happening is the clay is getting stuck on the roller and it refuses to come off. So that when it's like a sticky residue. So because I'm going to be doing lemons as my insert, I'm going to add some yellow, sunny, extra fine glitter. Then I'm going to take my little chopper, chop it up. And then just keep mixing. I'm going to pause for a second because I have glitter everywhere and I need to get some of this off. Pause. So when this dries, I want it to be see-through and super sparkly, you know? I think I'm going to do this yellow. Maybe I do want to use some white. I've got the white and the yellow all mixed up. That took a while, so I didn't want to film it. Now we're going to roll it out. We're going to take our little cutter. So let's do some green. Oh. Then I'm going to move that out of the way, and I'm going to cut out a few little lemon shapes from my translucent clay. Now we're going to leave that like that. We're going to take those little translucent lemons that I had and we're going to place them inside the holes, like so. Then we're going to take this, my cutter that I have, or any kind of shape cutter that you have for leaf, and then we're going to cut this out. And then you're going to place these into those holes. And 2 more. So that was my video for today. I hope you liked it. Like, comment, and subscribe for more art-related content. Until next time, I'll see you later.